Hello and welcome to another update video about AVAX. So we actually have AVAX where we wanted it already. A few weeks ago we talked about that it would be ideal to get deeper into this support area to get some clarity that this is a B wave or a wave 2. What I don't like is how impulsive this is actually selling off. So the thing is, what I can tell you is that below 1122, which is the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement here, we are most likely going to make a new bear market low. Yeah, if we zoom out a little bit, not that far, then you can actually see that the previous bear market low was in December, January, and this was around $10.60. And here in June, it made a completely new bear market low, which was around, pretty much $10 again, so $9.90. Now, if we take the move to the upside, the thing is, it is a pretty clear WXY structure. We can get away with counting it as a wave 1 potentially, as a leading diagonal. But if it is a wave 1 as a leading diagonal, the problem I have is that the move down is too impulsive really. So what I mean is, if this is the bullish interpretation, which is a 1-2 setup, as we have it on some other coins, this is one that I wouldn't really trust. Yeah, I mean, I already don't trust diagonals, and we can interpret this if you want to, for anybody who's looking at a bullish interpretation, as a potential 5-wave move up. Is it reliable? Not really. I mean, first thing is we expected a breakdown, yeah, because we have an ascending broadening wedge. And it did come down, and it did come to the golden ratio, the 61.8 retracement. What I actually don't like is that the move up looks so choppy, and the move down looks quite aggressive. So what you always like to see normally in these corrections is a clear 3-wave structure. And we don't have that. So it's really questionable what's going on here. It looks like a 5-wave move down. What you normally want is this, A, B, C. Yeah, I don't have that. Now, could it be that the move down was just the A wave? We now get a B and then come down and C? No, see, everything is possible. The problem is that if an A wave, this was A, comes down that much and we get a B wave bounce, the C wave is running out of space, and you don't want a C wave that goes below 1122. So this is one I would be extremely careful about. Yeah, probably one of the most difficult altcoin setups at the moment. So I wouldn't be surprised if this 1122 level eventually breaks. As long as it's holding, we can give it a chance to move higher. The thing is also, looking at the bigger picture, this structure actually suggests that this is just here a wave 4 and one more low is coming. So it's either, and that's the base case, so it's either that we get an ABC here, or that this wave 4 already topped and we're already coming down in wave 5. So yeah, I mean, unless we really get an impulsive break above the larger descending wedge structure that you see on the screen, I would here expect eventually one more low. The thing is though that in the short term we could get a new high before we do that. So I'm exploring the idea that we could get some support. We could find some support either here at 1223 or 1122 in the orange support area. But again, it is a questionable one, and I would not be surprised to break below 1122. Absolutely not. So be careful with this one. At the moment, there is definitely not yet a confirmed low in place. Even on the lower degree wave structure or lower time frame, it's not giving us any indication that a low is in place. This is a 3-wave rally again, and below that 61.8 retracement level, it's probably going to come down to 1122. So yeah, it's not giving us anything that would be remotely bullish here in the short term. And we can always turn around at an instant. You know how the altcoins are, but again, the 1122 level is the bullish support. So if someone's looking for something bullish, this is a bit of a hopium count. The wave 1-2 is definitely hopium, because that could lead to a 3, a 4, and a 5. But I would only believe that if we break above the descending wedge. Then we have short-term bullish, which would be a C wave up. But if anybody wants to trade that, I mean, this is high risk, yeah. It's not even very good reward to risk, so it's poor probabilities, you could say. then you could still wait for a 1-2 setup in wave C to turn up to trade the wave 3 of the wave C, because the wave C is a 5-wave move, but below 1122, this is going to make most likely a new low below the June lows. Okay, that's my update about AVAX. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.